The abbreviation continues. Please take a note of abbreviation and study and take written practice. CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education, CCI Cricket Club of India, CCTV Closed Circuit Television. It is also a very important abbreviation. DA Diurnus Allowance, DC Direct Current, DIG Deputy Inspector General, DNA Deoxyribonucleic acid, DVD Digital Versatile Disk, EB Electricity Board, EC Election Commission, ECG Electrocardiogram. It, it is also very important abbreviation. EPF Employee Provident Fund, FCI Food Corporation of India, FD Fixed Deposit, FM Frequency Modulation, FRCS Fellow of the Royal Council of Surgeons. GP Great Britain, GH Government Hospital, GK General Knowledge, GO Government Order, GPO General Post Office, HIV Human Immunodeficiency Virus, and it also very important abbreviation. HSS Higher Secondary School, IA Indian Airlines, IAF Indian Air Force, IAS Indian Administrative Service, ICICI International Credit and Investment Corporation of India, ICS Indian Civil Service, ICSE Indian Council for Secondary Education, IFS Indian Forest Service, ILO International Labour Organization, IOB Indian Overseas Bank, IPL Indian Premier League, IPS Indian Police Service, IQ Intelligent Continent, ISI Indian Standard Institution, ISRO Indian Space Research Organization. So this is called acronym. Acronym can be spoken as a word by the people, but the abbreviation cannot be spoken as a word. IST Indian Standard Time, IT Income Tax, ITI Industrial Technical Institute, JRC Junior Red Cross, KG Kindergarten, KPO Knowledge Process Outsourcing, LCD Liquid Crystal Diode, LED Light Emitting Diode, LPG Liquefied Petroleum Gas. It is also very important abbreviation. MA Master of Science, MBA Master of Business Administration, MBBS Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MCA Master of Computer Application, MD Doctor of Medicine Managing Director, ME Master of Engineering, MEd Master of Education, MKU Madurai Kamraj University, MLA Member of Legislative Assembly, legislative, which means the laws, MO Money Order, MP Member of Parliament. Thank you all and take written practice. Please study and test yourself without seeing your notebook. Thank you.